French at Home with Franco. Lesson 10. In Lesson 10, we are going to be looking at the regular ER verb aimer, which means to like or to love. And we'll also be using the very useful chunk je voudrais, which means I would like. Let's take a look at the conjugation of the verb aimer. J'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime. Nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. We're going to be using the verb aimer with verbs used in previous lessons. Habiter, jouer, regarder. We're going to be using two verbs together in one sentence. Aimer conjugated and the second verb in its infinitive form. For example, moi, j'aime jouer au foot. Il aime jouer au foot. Nous aimons jouer au tennis. Ils aiment habiter en France. Je n'aime pas habiter ici. Je n'aime pas habiter ici. Aimes-tu regarder des films? Oui, j'aime bien regarder des films. Now let's look at je voudrais, I would like. Je voudrais, I would like. Moi, j'habite en ville, mais je voudrais habiter au bord de la mer. Moi, je n'aime pas habiter en ville. So, in this lesson, we've looked at the conjugation of the regular ER verb aimer. We've seen the aimer chunks used in a sentence, followed by a second verb, which is in its infinitive form. We've seen positive sentences and negative sentences. J'aime, je n'aime pas. And we've also seen the expression je voudrais, I would like, used in sentences. The second verb, in that case, being in its infinitive form. Bon, c'est tout. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt. Remember to like, share and subscribe.